Settings for PCB object and layer transparency are now available within Altium Designer 13. This new set of options provides additional functionality for controlling and managing the display of your PCB design environment. Using the controls under the new Transparency tab, which is found and set by accessing your View Configurations dialog under the Design, Board Layers and Colors here, you now have the ability to define a level of static transparency for individual object types and layers, adding yet another powerful visualizing tool to an already impressive group of features. Take the spirit level board here, for example. The polygons are definitely visible, but I would like a clearer look at this PCB, preferably while still being able to see the space my polygons are occupying. Previously, I would hide or shelve the polygons, which removed them from view completely. However, with the transparency settings, I can now adjust them to a comfortable level, providing much clearer visibility into the other layers of my PCB, while continuing to allow me to clearly visualize the space taken up by my polygons. As another example, let's look at tracks, arcs, pads, and vias. Although I like these to be clearly visible on all layers, I also like to be able to visualize their intersections and overlaps, which are not visible while they are drawn opaque. A low amount of transparency gives me exactly the view I prefer. I can see my tracks where they intersect, and visualize my tracks and arcs as they connect to the center of the pads and vias. Once you have your view set up the way you like, you can save it and give it a name by clicking on the link to Save as View Configuration, and then saving a 2D simple configuration file. Once saved, it can be used within future PCBs, and will be available for selection from the view configuration list within the PCB itself. Create and save multiple view configurations, each with their own transparency and layer settings, to enable the ability to quickly and easily change the view of your PCB layouts to match the task at hand.